friends, today I thought I would educate you a little bit of what you could be doing when you're using Corido website to dispose your household items or whenever you're trying to buy an item. So I have so many content that I want to create on the features about people using the platform in a safe and reliable way. So today I'll just focus on the buyers because buyers have had so many questions. They're asking that if I want to find somebody who's selling an item, how will I be able to get in touch? Okay. So one of the things I want to do, I'll go right straight to the website and click on the home screen. I'll start by showing you how you can get into our website. And once you get into our website, how are you going to find the products that you want and you are able to contact the person? The website is really beautiful. Take your time to go through the website. You'll see so many amazing deals that will make you stick to it will even make you go out with a budget to just get some of these items. So number one, I'll be very fast and very brief. So let's say you're looking for an item like a coffee table. You have different options on what you can do. As you can see, there is a search option here whereby you can be able to just type coffee table. Once you type coffee table, there are options which will come from this place. So even without picking any option, when you say search, when you click on that button search, it will open on the coffee table categories. As you can see from this page, it has brought us straight coffee table. So these are the options of the coffee table on this website. So what if you just want to go and use another route? I'll be able to show you. So from this, you can be able to see all these coffee table options. Some are sold, some are available. It's up to you to get in touch with the seller and you find out. So there are some sellers who are able to indicate that this item has been sold, while others they don't. Maybe after they've sold, they don't have time to come and complete. So as Corridor, they usually try as much as possible it is records. So it's very easy to find a coffee table. Like let's say for instance, you're interested with this rectangular glass coffee table. You can just see it's in Nairobi, it's used, available. Already 281 people have viewed this ad. So let me click on this table coffee table. As it opens, there's so many things you can see that it has been posted 1 month ago. That's why it has all these views. There are so many people. And then, as you can see, these are the description on what this coffee table is all about. You can see it has a pay on pickup. It's black in color. Yeah. And you can also write a review about this coffee table. If you like it, you can say, me, I like it and I love it. And then you submit a review here. So on the right side, we can see the person who was selling is an agent. This is a corridor agent called Jadida. And then she's currently offline. You can see other ads posted by Jadida. And then you can also see that there's a contact number here. This is very important. Stay with me. So when you see this button right here, it actually says you click on it and it will display the number of the seller. You can decide to chat with the seller via the website. You can send an email or you can chat via WhatsApp. So let's say you want to call this person right away. You just click here. Once you click, you'll see that the number has been displayed. Some of you will decide to, if you're using your phone, it's easier to click here and you just call right away. But if you're using a desktop, you have to type this on your phone. I'll have to stop from here because I have so much content to show you. But this is how you can get the contact of the seller on the Corido Marketplace website. See you next time.